Today we're going to talk about time tracking best practices. Hi there, I'm Hector Garcia, and I partner with QuickBooks to share tips on how to scale your growing business. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more videos just like this. This video series also has articles that expand on this topic. Make sure to check out the description below for more information. Tracking time is as old as, well, time. Business owners are always looking to invest their resources in the right activities. As your business activities expand with a growing workforce, tracking time becomes an elusive goal. Without the right approach to time tracking, it becomes challenging to extract any reliable or valuable insight from time tracking information. Unfortunately, there are many misconceptions about the value of tracking time. Time tracking can often be seen as surveillance, but it's important to see your employees as humans with lives and families rather than lines on an income statement. Time is not a resource, it's a constraint, and both you and your employees are responsible for an effective use of each other's time. Most importantly, your customers don't buy the time and effort your business spends in performing a service or delivering a product. They buy the time they save by choosing to work with your business. That's why it's time, pun intended, to consider measuring time in ways that matter to your customers. Things like delivery time, response time, and how frequently your customers continue to transact with you. If you get this right, it will lead to customer loyalty. This is particularly important for professional service firms that only measure their employees' time within the context of creating value for their customers. To improve upon your customers' saved time, you must continuously improve processes inside your growing business and look for efficiency opportunities, all towards improving your customer relationships. Let's say you begin tracking how many hours all your employees work across the board. Then you start comparing your A players, you know who they are, to your B and C players. If they all work the same amount of time, it would feel like a moot exercise. But if you can calculate how many satisfied customers they're performing work for or who drives the desired results, you can see some sort of comparative measure of effectiveness. You don't want to decrease the number of hours employees spend on a project simply to save money. Instead, you want to see how many satisfied customers you can serve per hour, or even better, per employee. Using a metric like revenue per employee empowers you to think about how important revenue-producing employees are. But you should also consider the importance of non-revenue producing employees and make sure their time is being spent effectively as well. It's no surprise that the largest and most profitable companies in the world also happen to have the highest revenue per employee rankings. Even though it's possible to estimate the cost of a project by multiplying, let's say, the prevailing wage of an employee times the number of hours worked in that project, that's only one side of the story. It's also important not to just focus on the cost components of the time spent by employee. Focus your attention on asking the bigger questions about employee efficiency. For example, are your employees being effective as a whole in growing your revenue? Do they have all the tools, skills, and training to best serve your customers within a budget period of time? An integrated time tracking system can be the most crucial tool for tracking billable time, specifically for businesses that charge their customers by the hour. It's very hard to know how to allocate your employees' training budget without leveraging time tracking data to identify productivity gaps. The lesson here is that if you're able to measure a particular employee's output and outcomes to the customers they serve, as compared to others in the company, you can better assess where to invest your employee training and education. That said, I want to stress that tracking time should only be used as a means to an end, to improve effectiveness of the overall teams, not the efficiency of just one individual employee. Your employees want to know that you're focused on their development and growth, and that their time spent with you is appreciated rather than being measured for productivity. Professionally fulfilled employees equal engaged employees. This directly translates to long-term employee retention. And that long-term employee retention is key to lasting customer relationships. With QuickBooks Online Advanced equipped with a payroll add-on that uses QuickBooks Time, you can track and filter employees' time in virtually any dimension, be it employee, project, class, or location. QuickBooks Time can be used in a web browser, kiosk, or even a mobile app to minimize time tracking friction. Combining time data with performance data can provide those key insights needed for you to quickly decide how to best deploy your team and deliver the best possible experience for your customers. Having a single place to track time and process payroll using the same data with just one click will boost everyone's productivity. Say goodbye to clunky spreadsheets and tedious double data entry. For more information on time tracking, check out the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone in your business community. Don't forget to also hit that like button to let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.